What's up, coaches and high ticket affiliates? There's a common misconception in the industry that people need more traffic in order to make their offers convert. But the question to ask yourself when you are considering that is, do you actually have an offer that is converting in the first place? Because if it ain't, guess what? More traffic is not going to help you out, all right? So the lesson in this one is quite simply to craft an offer that resonates with your ideal audience. And what you'll find is all of a sudden your traffic problem will magically disappear, especially when you add the element of positioning on top of that. And if you're unfamiliar with what I mean by positioning, it is quite simply how you brand yourself, how you position yourself in the marketplace compared to the other options that are out there and the other brands, the other personalities that are out there. One way that you can do this is quite simply by talking about what you will and won't accept as clientele, which again looks to add positioning and polarize your audience a little bit. So what I mean by that quite simply is, for example, one of mine is I refuse to work with people that have victim mentality. If you're not self-empowered, if you're not self-motivated, then I'm unfortunately not going to be able to help you out in your business. Now, if you're willing to accept those types of people, then you and I probably can't work together either. So what I would tell people that are watching this at this stage is, work on your positioning, work on a badass offer that resonates with your ideal audience, push away the people you cannot serve, and what you'll find is that your people start to resonate with you, start to bubble up to the surface in your audience. Now, that's not to say that you don't have an influx of new leads coming in. In fact, the more the merrier, of course, but what I wanted to establish in this video is really just trying to get people to understand that it actually is more likely a combination of those two things combined. Once you fix those, the traffic issues should dissipate a lot easier as well. So anyway, I hope that helps, guys. Follow me for more and feel free to join my free group. I'd like to learn a little bit more about this stuff. My name's Jamie. Catch you in the next one.